boy, did I learn a ton. I like food. So the one thing that I learned is that, what foods are native to what countries. And I thought that was really, really interesting. I also learned that Hispanic is an ethnicity, and they can be of any race. Hispanics can be white, they can be black, they can be Asian. So I thought as, we start to look at diversity and inclusion, educating ourselves on what that really means was extremely important.
One of the main things that struck me, and I sort of realized it because I've been to South America in the past, but just the diversity within South America, Latin America. I think when a lot of Americans think about Latin America, they automatically think Mexico, right? Because it's right there, right? But when you actually move past Mexico, the diversity is incredible, right? I had the opportunity in graduate school to spend some time in Chile. And so I went down to Santiago, Chile, and that was honestly a shock because I thought like most Americans, like I'm going down, it's going to be a very Latin culture, and it's not, right? It's a very European-based culture. They do mix in some of the kind of their historic culture in with it, but it's not what you would expect. And as it was presented in the Conexión event, Chile is one thing, but then you go to Argentina, right? And Argentina is going to seem more European. And then I've gone all the way up through, I've spent some time in Trinidad and Tobago, right? Trinidad and Tobago, surprisingly, is very East Indian, right? When you actually, you wouldn't think you were in Latin America. It's very, very East Indian. So just the amount of diversity within Latin America is amazing. And then you start to talk about the differences in the cultures in between the countries. I just always find that incredibly fascinating, and I don't think people focus on that enough.